Creating a quote in Salesforce can seem tricky, but it's actually pretty simple once you know the right steps. Whether you're a salesperson or just looking to manage your deals more efficiently, stick around as we walk through how to create a quote in Salesforce in under 5 minutes. Before we jump in, if you're new to Salesforce or looking to enhance your experience, you can get started with a free trial of Salesforce using the first link below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses that will make your Salesforce experience even better, so make sure to check that out. Now, let's get into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the opportunity record you want to create a quote for. This is the deal or potential sale that you're working on. Once you're in the opportunity, you'll notice the Quotes section, and here's where we'll be doing the magic. Next thing, click on New Quote. Salesforce makes it easy by giving you a clean template for your quote. Here, you'll have the option to select the relevant opportunity and add customer-specific details. You can input the products, pricing, and other key data points that will make the quote specific to this particular deal. The third thing to remember is to adjust your quote settings. This includes things like discounting and applying taxes, which can all be customized based on your business needs. You'll want to make sure the pricing reflects the terms of your agreement with the customer. This part is essential for ensuring your quote is accurate and professional. The fourth thing, once your quote is set up, is to generate the actual PDF document. Salesforce will automatically create a professional-looking quote that you can send to your client. You can review the quote, make sure everything is in order, and then either download it or email it directly to your customer. Now, here's a little tip. If you're working with multiple products or services, Salesforce lets you create quote templates that can save you time in the future. You won't have to manually enter all the information each time, which speeds up the quoting process, especially when dealing with repetitive scenarios. To wrap up, if you follow these steps, creating a quote in Salesforce can be quick and efficient, saving you time and ensuring that you're sending out accurate and professional quotes every time. Finally, if you're not already using Salesforce, remember to grab your free trial from the link below, where you'll also get exclusive bonuses to get you started. It's a great way to try out the platform without any upfront cost. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to sharpen your skills, these quick tips will help you stay on top of your sales game.